Okay. Mom, wrap him up again. I'm going to get y'all on video, okay?
Oh, okay. Let's wrap up again and you roll out, okay? Come here. Lay down on the floor. Or sit down right here. Let me wrap you. And then I'll lay you down. Sit right there. Hold your arms up. Okay?